So you want to get into Upwork. You know the possibility is real of making money on this platform, but you want to get started today. You want to do your profile, you want to land your first client, and you want to make a bunch of money. Well, you're in luck, because in today's video, I'm going to show you the simplest, easiest, and quickest way to do this in 2025. And look, I'm probably the most qualified person to talk on this subject because I'm one of the only people that has made up to $15,000 per month with their Upwork agency. And I've helped a bunch of people recently get from zero to their first $5,000, $10,000, and even $100,000 on Upwork. Let's not waste any more time. We need to lock in. Let's do it right now. And then you don't have anything else to worry about. And the best part is we can do this completely for free or with less than $100. I've been doing this for over 7 years. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make an Upwork profile. We're going to go to upwork.com. We're going to make an account, and I'm going to put a prompt in the description below to just basically do the entire thing for you so you can just copy paste. Once we've done that, we're going to follow the 3 commandments. We're going to get 100% completion on our profile. We're going to get as many testimonials as possible, and we're going to hack the Upwork algorithm. I have a separate video on this, which you can go and watch. Now that we've made the profile and we've optimized it, we're going to actually start going after clients. To do that, I would urge you to spend $100 to $300 on Upwork Connects, which is basically like the currency that we use to send proposals on Upwork. And don't worry, we're going to make double, triple, quadruple, even 10 times our money on this investment, guys. Go to this section, buy as many connects as you can, and then let's start sending some proposals. Now, I have an entire 2-hour course on my YouTube channel which explains this in depth, but to keep it simple, we're going to send Loom videos and we're going to send 2 different types of proposals. The first type is a full audit. We're going to audit every single thing that they talk about in their job post, and then we're going to send that off to them. We're going to keep it anywhere from like 30 seconds to 5 minutes max. The second type of proposal is where they don't really have a lot of context, but we still think it's a good potential client, and we're just going to ask them for more context. And the best part is, if either of those respond, we're going to get those connects back, we're going to save money, and we're going to have an opportunity to close this client. Now, the best part is, if you do 5 to 10 of these a day, which is only going to take like 40 minutes to maybe an hour a day, super simple, but definitely going to get some messages back at the very least. By doing that, you're going to get refunded connects, and now we're going to be able to move on to the stage where we start closing these guys for real money. Now, the best thing about Upwork, and maybe the best thing about this whole thing in general, is that they're the ones asking for help. The clients are literally telling you exactly what they want. You don't need to sell them on anything. You just need to agree with what they're asking for. Just say, yes, I can do it, and they will pay you. It's that simple. And if you need a more in-depth video on how to actually close these clients, I have multiple full-length sales calls on my YouTube channel, which you can go check out. Even some of them are from like 7 years ago when I was doing this stuff. And it's that simple. Honestly, if you just make a good profile, follow the commandments, send out Loom videos, and get messages and close the clients, and just do what they ask you to do, you will make money on Upwork. And this has worked for so many people. It's worked for Josiah. He went from 0 to 3K per month in less than 30 days. It's worked for Harrison. He went from 0 to 4K per month in less than 90 days. It's worked for Noah that got his first client in 7 days. It's worked for me, who went from 0 to 9K in 45 days. I'm not just making this stuff up. It's all documented on my YouTube channel, and you can do this too. Believe in yourself. You've got this. You're a G. Peace.